Hello friends, I am Omkar Samle and you are watching Maths is Live. Today we will continue the previous topic of sets. In previous video, we have discussed the method of writing sets and definition of sets. In today's video, we will see the types of sets and other important concepts of sets. Example, cardinal number of sets, null set, singleton set and all other types of sets. So first we will see what is cardinal number of sets. So if there is a set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the cardinal number of sets is just the number of elements in that set. So in set A, there are 4 elements. So we will write n of A, that is cardinal number of set A is 4. Other example, B is the set of first 8 prime numbers. So we know there are only 8 prime numbers in the list of first 8 prime numbers. So the cardinal number of the set B will be 8. Now we will see the next concept or next types of sets. First type of set is null set. Null set is the set where there is no element. So how it is possible that the group have no element? Example, we will take some example like the person having height more than 8 kilometers. So we know there is no person who have height more than 8 kilometers. So there is no element in that set. So in simple words, we can say the null set is the set whose cardinal number is 0. So there is no element in that particular set. Or if you want, you can take other example. Number of circles whose diameter is 3 times the radius. So there will be no circle whose diameter is 3 times radius. So we can say it is impossible. So there will be no circle. So cardinal number of that set is 0. Now we will see the next type, which is singleton set. The name singleton suggests that there will be only single element, only one element. Example, D is the set of even prime numbers. So we know there is only one even prime number. There are many prime numbers, but between that only one number is such that it is even prime number. That is 2. 2 is only even prime number. So the cardinal number of this set will be 1. So we can say simply, singleton set is the set where cardinal number of that set is 1. Now we will move toward the next type of set. Now the next types are finite set and infinite set. So finite sets are sets where the number of elements are finite, which means we can count the number of elements directly. But there are such sets where we cannot count the number of elements. We cannot write the cardinal number of that set. Example, X is a set of natural numbers. So we cannot count how many natural numbers are there. So these types of sets are known as infinite sets. So here B and C are the examples of infinite sets. Now the next types are based on comparison of two sets like overlapping sets or disjoint sets. We can say the two sets are overlapping when one or more elements between that two sets are common. Example, A is the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4. B is the set of elements 1, 5, 9, 13. So we know in these two sets 1 is the common element. It is possible that only one element is common, but still if even one element is common, they are overlapping sets. We can represent overlapping sets diagrammatically like this, where two sets have some region in common. And when there is no common region or no common element in these sets, we will say that sets as disjoint sets, which are not joined. Those are disjoint sets. Now we will see what is equal set and equivalent sets. What is difference between equal set and equivalent sets? So equal sets we know by the name, the sets which are equal. Example, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. So A and B are equal sets. But equivalent set is different than equal sets. All equal sets are equivalent set, but all equivalent sets are not equal sets. Example, equivalent sets means the sets whose cardinal numbers are same. The number of elements in both sets are same. Not necessarily the elements are same, but the number of elements are same. Example, again A is the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is the set of elements A, B, C, D. So cardinal number of set A is 4, cardinal number of set B is 4 as both sets have 4 elements, same number of elements. These two sets are equivalent sets, but they are not equal sets. Okay, in today's video we have covered these 8 types. Null set, singleton set, equal set, equivalent set, finite set, infinite set and then overlapping set, disjoint sets. In next video, we will see what is subset, what is proper subset, what is power set, what is universal set and other more concepts. And I think this is enough for this video. So bye bye.